Happy Easter, West Riding fans. We're a couple of days off the Easter break, so trying to get some stock advertised so you can peruse over the holiday. So, West Riding Morris Minor Centre, new arrival. It's a 1964 Rose Taupe Traveller. We dropped this one a few weeks ago as an arrival through social media, and since then it's been off and had the underside stripped, checked, repaired and recoated, so it's structurally in keeping with the rest of the car now. It's perfect. Very, 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 very tidy car. Older restoration. It was owned by an older couple, where the husband had just bought his wife it as a gift. Previously she had it a couple of years and then she wanted to free some capital up, so it ended up with us. So the paintwork's absolutely excellent. It's had 4 new wings fitted. As I said, the underside's been stripped, repaired, refinished, so it's structurally absolutely bang on. As you can see, the ash frame, I mean, I can go slow around it if you want. Ash frame, or the wood set for want of a better description, is in perfect order, as new order. So never say anything's perfect, but make your own judgment from this video that it is pretty much that way. Exterior paintwork's absolutely lovely. There's the odd tiny blemish here and there, but as you can see, it is very, very, very nice, very clean. Show standard. It's got powder coated wheels and new tyres on it, which we've put on. Interior wise, you've got the Cherokee red and cream duotone interior, in keeping with the rest of the car because it's a duotone model, being 64. So what they've done when they've done the interior is try to do a best of both worlds job. So keep as much original as possible whilst replacing what needed replacing. So you've got the, I'm not even going to use the P word because you know I detest it. So, but it is very well P worded inside, for want of a better description. So door apertures are all nice and clean, dashboard's all nice and clean. Gold clock Banjo steering wheel setup as per a duotone. 17,744 miles. Obviously that's not the original mileage, it's been restored or it's had a new engine in, so it is what it is in that respect. If it had only done 17,000 miles, it'd be up for more than it's going to be up for. So there you go. Interior light, good order. Headlining, good order. All the trims and everything really nice and tidy. No rips, tears or anything. Really presentable. It's had new carpets fitted. Really, really, really nice car. It's just something about it. It's very attractive, and you get that with it as well. It came with it, look. So you got your little Morris Minor brochure, which turns into a massive poster as well. Original. No bubbling at the bottom of the doors or anything. All the chrome work's new, new hinges and everything as well. So again, superb order. Engine bay is really nice and clean, as you can see. So engine's tidy, the hoses and everything are in good order. It is original, so it's got the dynamo on it still. It hasn't got servo on it and it hasn't got discs on it. It's got electric washer pump upgrade, but obviously we can do any of the upgrades that you are likely to want. So that's that. I haven't even started it, so that's me forgetting. I'll go around and start it again. Runs, starts, drives, pull start model, so put the ignition on. That might help. So 1098 engine, runs really nicely, like a little sewing machine. Like I say, completely standard car other than the washer bottle. Really, really, really tidy. If you're after a Traveller, Rose Taupe's an absolutely beautiful colour. It's a bit of a Marmite colour, but along with black, Rose Taupe's one of my favourite colours because you don't see it too often. As you can see, inside of the doors are all good. The aluminium trims and everything, all the paintwork's still there. It hasn't been bashed up or abused. The whole thing's good. Boot floors are all good. Headlining's good. Chrome bumperettes are all good, and then the ladder rail and all the ladder rail cover and all really tidy. Really good car. Ideal if you wanted something to take to shows, you know, go out for drives in, it is not at the top of the tree condition wise as in concourse, but it is a show quality car. On at 16,995, which is a bit of a bargain. However, if you throw an offer at us, I might do you a special Easter deal. Just give us a call, and there may be a deal to be had. So it's WRCC, Yorkshire Minor Centre, 01422 881221. Option 1, that's Dan in sales. Give me a call and get yourself an Easter bargain. We obviously take Morris Minors in trading, classic cars or bikes in trading. So if you're thinking about swapping, we can probably help with that. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. Full details are going to be on www.westridingclassics.co.uk, and then obviously this video will find its way on YouTube as well. Thanks guys.